Hi, this is Salman and you are watching Zettalysis. In this video I have this Samsung A02 and this is patron logged. Patron or password logged and its code name is SM-A022F/DS. The problem with this, it does not power off or restarts because it asks for the password or the same password or the patron when we try to power off or restart. Look at this. So in order to solve this problem, listen to my instructions. First, press and hold the power and volume down key simultaneously. Keep press and hold these two keys, and when the screen goes blank, still keep holding the power key but leave the volume down key and instantly press and hold the volume up key. And then when the Samsung logo appears, just release the power key and keep holding the volume up key until the recovery menus. So I am doing the same thing, pressing and holding the volume down and power key simultaneously until the screen goes blank, and before the vibration, not after the vibration, before the vibration feels, just leave the volume down key but keep pressing the power key with a volume up key. So I am going with first two keys combinations. When the screen goes blank, just leave the volume down key and instantly hold the volume up key. I shifted to the volume up key. When the Samsung logo appears, just release the power key and keep holding the volume up key until the recovery menu appears. It's not difficult task. So keep trying until you reach the recovery menu. So let's see what happened. Now select the wipe data factory reset by volume down button. Now click the power button as OK. Again click volume down and then press power key for OK. It erases the user data and cache partition. Now it will reboot and wait for it to land on the home screen. So in this way we successfully removed the patron or password of this Samsung A02. If you did something good from this video, just make sure to give the thumbs up, so it will be a mark of appreciation for me. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. I will see you in my next one. Till then, keep smiling.